welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. We got the truck loaded up. We got spare tires, stock suspension, stock downpipe, stock intake. If you don't know what that means, we've sold Quinn. Yep. Quinn is going off to a new owner. Young guy. I think he's gonna treat the car well, and I think he's gonna truly enjoy the car. It's a sad, sad day. Never thought I'd ever get to this point, but everything just come together. I got offered what I wanted, and I just felt it was time to make the deal go through. So we got everything loaded up, all the stock parts in the truck and some in the car. Let's head over. We're gonna meet them at Cross Iron Mills. They're coming down from Edmonton, and they should be here in about 20-30ish minutes. So let's head down to the Cross Iron Mills, go meet them, and give the owner his new show car. It's a little bit of an emotional day today, but we'll get through it. We'll build something better and just as good as Quinn, and just as life-changing. So let's hit the road and let's just get this over with. Well, there's the new owners. I think they're pretty excited. Well guys, there she goes. Take one last look. Quinn is going to a new home. Everybody go and follow Camry. I'll link his Instagram below. Go give him a shout out, give him a follow. And you can watch what he does with the car. Yep. Well, there she goes, guys. The end of an era.
It'd be easier for me if I turn away to flee, oh. But there's something holding on.
Yep, it's true. Quinn did go to its new home. Super great family. Super awesome. Camry, I think, is totally going to take care of the car, and I think he's going to just love the car if he can ever get it from his dad, because I think his dad might be driving it and enjoying it just as much as he is. He kept saying, I wish I would have bought this for myself. They were super happy. I'm pretty sad. It's a bit of an emotional day today, getting rid of Quinn, but I think for the content and for you guys, I think it'll be a good thing. I think I can get into the next step, the next car that I want, whatever that's going to be. I'm going to start looking, and to be fair, honest, I knew this last week was coming, and I've already started looking for cars, and I've actually test drove a few already, but that's all secrets. Can't share that stuff with you guys, but hopefully we'll come up with something, and thankfully that there's no car show season this year, so I got some time to get the right car and do a proper build again. I promise the next car will be just as cool and just as epic as Quinn was, and I'll bring you guys along for the entire adventure. We are gonna have a brand new fresh slate to work with depending on which car we buy, and I promise it's going to be a BMW. HQ BMW is not going away. I just got that plate installed. Yeah, so HQ BMW is not going away. I promise you we will build another BMW, and it's going to be epic. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. A little shorter. Congrats again to Camry on the purchase of Quinn. You're going to love that car, and I think you're going to go far with it. And like Tammy said, now if he ends up going to car shows and I go to car shows in Edmonton, that's going to be my competition. I think that's okay, because then if he wins an award, I mean, I built the car, and kudos to myself and him for taking such an epic car to car shows. But thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.